skin smooth. You feed me too. Shot it, you gotta choose. Shot it, look good with no makeup.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Shay Natural here, and I am back with another video. So today I did a really quick well, it wasn't even today, it was a few days ago. I had this hairstyle in my hair for 2 days now. Yeah, 2 days. I wasn't even gonna do an intro, but I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and do it real quick. It's like really late, so I'm talking a little low because I'm not trying to be so loud. The house is really quiet. So yeah. Yeah, I wasn't gonna do an intro because it was just a really fresh type hairstyle. I just really redid my edges because I wanted to, and yeah, but this was a really cute, quick hairstyle. Someone suggested it for me on Instagram, and I was like, let me try those out. I've never done these. Have I? I don't know. I haven't done them in a while if I have. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this super cute hairstyle, continue watching and let's get into the video. So this gotta be quick because my niece has an expo that I have to get to. And my whole day was just like pushed behind. So yeah, we finna make that quick. But I really wanted to get on and do this video because somebody suggested me to do space buns. I was like, I might do that, I might do that. So I'm gonna do this real quick, y'all, real quick. Woo. Okay. So first what I'm gonna do is spray on mine. This is aloe vera juice mixed with water. And I also put rosemary oil in it because aloe vera juice aloe vera juice smells a little weird. So I put rosemary oil in it just for, you know, for the smell. So now I'm just going to part my hair down the middle. I wish I could do zigzag, but I don't got time for that because I'll be parting all day. And really, I don't even like going towards the back of my head, really. It'd be like once the front is good, I'd be like, it's good. I'm gonna do the whole thing this time since I'm doing space buns, and it's gonna be really noticeable, you know? It doesn't have to be perfect, and I gotta hurry up because y'all gonna hear my own mother telling me to come on in a minute. But I really hate parting the back of my hair. Like, I just be wanting to split this thing down the middle and call it a day. I would ask my mama to do it, but she's gonna be like, I'm getting dressed. Okay, my mama did. I asked her, she was like, I'm finna get ready to go. I told y'all. I was like, but if you help me, it's gonna be faster. And then she helped me. Even though she was probably gonna help me anyway, because she loves me, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this up. Let's work on this section, okay? So I'm gonna spread it some more. I'm gonna add some of my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie just to give it some moisture. Because I actually haven't touched my hair in a minute. I have been very lazy. To add my blue Eco. You guys, I don't know, I still don't know how to say it. But you guys, I've never tried this out. So we're gonna see. I hope it works. I'm gonna be mad if it don't. one bun down. I got one bun to go. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. I'm probably gonna fix it up and everything to my likings, but this is pretty much it. And I like it. I like it a lot. I'm gonna go because y'all finna hear my mom again. Gotta hurry up. Bye guys, love you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell, all of that. Love y'all. Bye.